This particular video, I'm about to teach you some features you need to turn off on your YouTube Studio and the features you need to turn on in order to get a lot of views. You know, there is a particular feature in the YouTube Studio that a lot of YouTubers wouldn't tell you, or you wouldn't know if care is not taken. A lot of people, they've turned on the wrong feature in their studio. I want you to turn that particular feature off and turn on the other in order to get a lot of views. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the particular feature you need to turn on and the one you need to turn off. So join me, let's go watch it. All right, this you will need for you to be able to turn off this particular feature in your YouTube Studio. You need to have a browser, either of Google Chrome, any browser at all, Safari. Those of you that use this iPhone, just click on your browser, then you click on YouTube dashboard. You just type in YouTube dashboard, and this is what you're going to see. So you click on YouTube dashboard, it is going to take you here. So when you are here, this is your YouTube studio, your YouTube studio, or your YouTube dashboard, your channel dashboard. So you see the features. Alright, so these are the features. So you have to scroll down the features, then you see this particular one, this particular feature. You click on it, that's customization. You click on it, and when you click on customization, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see profile and home tab. Home tab. So click on the home tab. When you click on the home tab, this is what you're going to see. And the first thing, you see the home tab here, this particular page is actually turned on. It is on. You see, this is what you need to know. This is what you need to know. If you click on the home tab and your home tab is off, the things I'm coming to show you, the feature I want you to turn off. If your home tab is not on, you cannot see that particular feature. So when you click on home tab, make sure that this is on, like this. All right, so when you on it, or when it's already on, you just have to scroll down. You see something like this, for you. You see that for you. So you click on more settings. When you click on more settings, this is what you're going to see. What to include in for you section. You scroll down. This is what I want you to turn on or off. You see, let's say all content recommended. YouTube always updates the for you section with fresh content, so you need to turn it off and on the recent content only. The recent content only. You see it? The recent content only. Read under. It says content you have posted in the last 12 months. You see, this particular feature, if you turn it on, let's say if it was on all content that's recommended, you have to click on recent content only on this one and off this. Don't let this be on recent content only. You see, this is what you're supposed to do. This particular feature needs to be on, so that the YouTube algorithm, it can actually trick the YouTube algorithm to recommend your recent videos, your past 12 months videos to people or to audience all across the world. This has helped a lot of people to gain a lot of views and attract a lot of watch hours in order to get monetized. So if you really want to be monetized, if you really want to get views on your videos, apply this particular trick. All right, so when you are done, the next thing you're going to do is you click done. You see, and so when you click done, people make a lot of mistakes. When you click done, that is not all. When you click done, there is something you need to actually do before you can actually change the settings. You click on publish. People just click on done and that is all. They don't add any other thing. They don't click on publish. If you do that, the changes will not be changed. You see, you have to click on publish. That is it here. The publish is there. public is share. You see, so when you click on publish, you see that the changes, it will changes published. Go to channel, you see, so that's, you are done, that's, you are good to go. The changes has been saved. That is if it was on all recommended or all content recommended. Now you've changed it to the 12-month recommendation. The 12, we are asking the YouTube algorithm to recommend mostly your recent videos. That's for the your 1 year ago videos to people. All right, so that is it. All right, so I believe you've gotten your step to step on the particular feature you need to turn off and the one you need to turn on. If this video was helpful, if this video was interesting, if this video helped you, if it was beneficial, please do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe, and most importantly, share it. Share this video to all your platforms. Share this video to anyone you know needs this particular video. Share this video so that others can actually benefit what you have just benefited, so that others can actually also know that this particular feature needs to be turned off. I never knew it until I just discovered it. And I said, no, I will not keep this to myself. Since I teaches about how to grow YouTube channel, this is an update for my audience. This is an update for you guys. This is an update for my family. So I decided to bring it to you. So in as much as I love you and I'm sharing this with you, please share it to others. There is love in sharing. Share it to others so that it can actually be a beneficiary to them too as well. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Very important. Please subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Share what you know in our comment section as well. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be there to help. If you have any question to ask as well, you can also ask it at the comment section, and I'll be there to help you. This is Time I Want to Do, and I'm signing out. I love you. Yeah, do you like the video you just watched? Do you like the video you just watched? All right. So do well to subscribe to this channel. Always be on this channel. Like the video, share it, and turn on the notification bell, because back-to-back videos like this are always going to be coming. I love you. Stay blessed.